Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Codejam. Today we will be solving the second question 3D printing of Google Codejam Qualification Round 2022. So let's read the question. So the question is very simple. It says that we have three printers and from each printer we have to print a D. So so now the question says every printer has some following properties. So every printer has a property that every printer has four individual cartridges of different color, which is cyan, magenta, yellow and black. In for each printer we will be given a detail of what quantity of these four colors is consist in the printer. Okay, so each printer has some amount of colors in it and that will be given to us, and we have to print a D, and to print a D the amount of color required is 10 raised to 6. It means that whatever color you will use, that should sum up to 10 raised to 6. Okay, so now let's say now let's go to the test cases and have a better understanding of the question. Okay, so here we are given the four quantities. These are the colors present. These are the amount of colors present in the first printer, the second printer and the third printer. And in the answer you have to print what is the amount of that color required to make which is present in all the printer, and that will be used to make the Ds from all the printers. Okay, so let's more simplify the question. So we will be given C, Y, K. Okay, C, M, Y and K, right? C, M, Y and K. So we will be given four variables: the quantity of the quantity of colors present in the first printer, in the second and in the third. Okay, so suppose C1 quantity, C2, C3, M1, M2 and M3, Y1, Y2 and Y3, K1, K2 and K3. Suppose these quantities of colors are present in the print in three of the printers. So what we can say from here, if I choose some C among all the three, so that means that C, that amount of the whatever is the value of C, that should be present in all the three C1, C2 and C3. So what does that mean? So that means that the C which I will choose should be the minimum C among the three C1, C2 and C3, so that that C will be present in all the three C's. So if like example, if C1 is 10, C2 is 3 and C3 is 4. So if I take 4, then this will not have enough ink because I have chosen 4. So if I choose 3, then this can also satisfy because it is greater than 3, this is equal to 3 and this is also greater than 3. So what are the observation is that we have to choose the minimum ink from this column. So we have chosen the minimum ink here, and after that we can choose all the minimum here: C min, M min, Y min and K min, right? And after that we can form a minimum array, and after that we can find the sum which add up to 10 raised to 6, and we will be able to print the answer. So let's see the code. After seeing the code, it will be much clear. So let's see how the code goes here. So we have taken the input in T for the test cases. I have kept an extra variable here for the printing format. So the information of the first printer, for storing that information I have made a array A1, which is of 4 size, and I have taken the input in the array, and I have also kept a minimum array in which I will be storing the minimum of all the inks present in all the three printers. So I have initialized minimum to this and I have taken the minimum at each step. So at the end, the minimum will consist of all the minimum inks present in all the three printers. Okay. So now let's find the total of the ink present in the minimum array. So why we are doing this? So after taking the total of the minimum array for I is equal to 0 to 3, so what this will give, that we need a total of 10 raised to 6 units of ink to print the D. But what if we don't have 10 raised to 6 units of ink? That means that we cannot print the D from all the printers. So in that case, we'll be printing impossible. So that is what I have done. I have taken the summation of all the inks, and if it is less than 10 raised to 6, I have printed impossible here. Otherwise, we'll be doing some operations to know the answer. So let's define the answer variable for like printing or storing the ink which will be used in the final like for with all the printers to print that resulting D. So what I have done, I have kept a sum variable which is 0, and I have first initialized the answer array to 0, and then I have iterated over the minimum array, and I said that if I add the minimum to sum, if it is less than 10 raised to 6, then add it and keep it in the answer. Otherwise, if sum plus min is greater than this, then what I have to do is answer is equal to 10 raised to 6 minus that sum, and after that I will break it because we have fulfill our needs and we don't want any extra ink, and after that I have just printed the answer array here. So that's it for the video, guys. This solution is accepted here, you can see. So if you learned something new from this video, hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel. So thank you so much.